Hi, billionaires and viewers. On my way to Hemen City Freight Free Zone Estate in Lekki Freight Free Zone, I now decided to update some of our investors and billionaires about the progress of the major express route that lead to the multi-billion Dangote refinery. So this is the work so far. With my interrogation with some of the engineers who are handling this project, they were able to tell me that at the end of this year that this major road that lead from Lekki Freight Free Zone to Lekki Beach is going to be completed by the end of this year. So that means that for those who key into MN City Freight Trade Zone Estate, kudos, your property is going to appreciate very fast. And for those who are still longing to key in, this is the right time for you to key in, because by the end of this year, the completion of this road is going to cause property to appreciate very fast. So I don't want you to buy it on a very high side, but what you need to do right now is for you to call the number shown on your screen so that we can secure as many plots, as many acres for you, in order for you not to buy on a high side. Always remember that we always update you what is happening in the major expressway and the development that is going on. Always remember that our primary aims and objective is to ensure that 95% of Nigerians become proud landowner in line with sustainable development goals. Remember, I will keep on updating you and tell you what is happening in the major road till we finish the project. So thank you for watching and bye.